See, my question is, this is my website. Already posting content into my website. I using some SEO title and SEO description. How to using for different SEO on page title description can I post on your social media where Google Plus, Facebook, page, profile, group, Twitter profile and LinkedIn profile and LinkedIn individual person. So here my question is how to convert Facebook profile friends as a page likes. In this one, I'm writing for my own title and description post on my where social media. That is called, we can using website is called anyimage.io. Anyimage.io. First of all, we can go to your website. In this website, select option call is go to Google. Right now, I'm not making any kind of images. I need first of all image need. Just click here. But my question is called best tip for increase your Facebook page likes. See here, they're showing for multiple things are here. And give this one. So you can go with this. I'm select this option. So right now I don't have any images. I'm taking for in this image, but my title will be complete different. Paste it. Post here. Best tips for increase your Facebook page likes. This one. I can go to first of all here in this website anyimage.io. Search here. If anyone asking question, you can promote your website with the multiple ways is there. Multiple ways is there. In this one, select proper image. Select image here. After select image, you can writing for two options. First one, SEO title and SEO description. Search your title, description. Rakesh. So my assumption is my Facebook page likes. Why? Because not in profile is not accepted by likes here. Next your destination URL. Click here. Search for finish. I can use it for my own SEO on page. Implement for where? Social networks. Where I'm using for Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Google Plus. Now click for Twitter first. Any social network for trending our news purpose, we can using for hashtag. Always using for hashtag here. Now click for hash, Facebook page. Now click for iPhone. Tweet. Done. Next one. Facebook. You can promote for the Facebook page, profile, groups, and a friends timeline and a private message with the group friends in this one. See, when I'm sharing time, the image will not appear. What we'll do? Okay, close. Click for once again. The image will be display here. In this one, select my page. Select your page here. Paste it. Click for post to Facebook. Same like we can posting for where? LinkedIn and Instagram. If anyone asking question, any website when sharing time, you can change your SEO title and description. Yes, it will be possible using for anyimage.io. Search your LinkedIn. Share in a post. Click here. Post here. Go to Google Plus. This image always showing for large image. So user can easily understand for your title and your image here. There's this option. Click for post here. Is it clear? This is where you can promote on your website using SEO on page where using social media option. This is called anyimage.io website. Search here. Is it clear? Always remember your website you can promote for multiple title and multiple description and multiple images are using for where social media or SEO of pay also. The link will be important. But always they using information only for social media purpose. This is called we can using for social media content.